Pakistan's obsession with fueling terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir has once again been exposed. In yet another desperate attempt to spread bloodshed, Pakistan-backed terrorists infiltrated into Kathua, triggering a fierce gun battle with security forces. The latest encounter underscores Islamabad's relentless efforts to destabilize the region, even as its own country plunges deeper into chaos. But India's security forces remain vigilant, determined to crush Pakistan-sponsored terrorism at its root. 3 Pakistan-backed terrorists were neutralized and an equal number of Jammu and Kashmir policemen lost their lives in a fierce day-long encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district. 7 others, including a deputy superintendent of police, sustained injuries in the high-intensity gunfight. According to official sources, the slain policemen include a head constable and 2 constables. The gun battle erupted as Jammu and Kashmir police intensified their crackdown on a recently infiltrated terror group believed to be from the Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed outfit. The encounter is part of a larger, ongoing 4-day counter-terror operation in the region. Indian security forces, including the Army, NSG, BSF, CRPF and police have launched an all-out assault using advanced surveillance, UAVs and drones to track and eliminate the Pakistani infiltrators.
Pakistan ISI has shifted its attempt to do cross-border infiltration. Earlier it used to be in Kashmir Valley. After Operation All Out and Article 370 was abrogated, infiltration over there has been very difficult for them. Then they slowly shifted their infiltration attempts from the Rajouri Poonch sector, because that sector gave quite a lot of cover by foliage and also ravines and other areas where infiltration could take place and the terrorists could hide. But after the incidents of Dangri and others, the security grid over there also has been strengthened, and now Pakistan thinks it's better for them to start this infiltration from the international border, that is Kathua, Samba sector.
Intelligence reports indicate that the terrorists are part of the same group that escaped after an encounter in Hiranagar on March 23rd, having infiltrated from Pakistan through a ravine or a newly constructed tunnel. On March 23rd, local villagers near Sanyal, just 5 kilometers from the border, reported sightings of 5 armed men. The border district of Kathua has emerged as a new hotspot for Pakistani infiltration, becoming a critical entry point for terrorists attempting to spread mayhem in the region. Over the past year, infiltrators have frequently used this route to move towards the higher reaches of Udhampur, Doda and Kishtwar, ultimately aiming to disrupt peace in the Kashmir Valley. The statistics are alarming. In 2024 alone, Jammu region has witnessed a series of terror attacks, resulting in 44 deaths, including 18 security personnel and 13 terrorists. The worst hit districts include Doda, Kathua and Riyasi, each recording 9 killings, followed by Kishtwar 5, Udhampur 4, Jammu and Rajouri 3 each and Poonch 2. These figures highlight Pakistan's relentless efforts to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir, even as its own nation grapples with economic collapse and internal strife.
They are not bothered. When I say they, means the political class, the army, Pakistan Army and the ISI are not bothered at all about what their common man in Pakistan is facing. Their stampedes are taking place just during ration distribution, where we have seen how people crush old people or women under their feet just to get a bag of flour. We have seen in Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir how people are coming out on the streets and now wanting to merge back with India. And they say that they have been illegally occupied by Pakistan. We have seen what is happening in Balochistan, where the Baloch rebels also want independence, and they say that the Pakistan army and ISI, which consists mainly of Punjabi Muslims, has dominated them and has also stripped them of their basic rights. So, as far as the economic or other situation of Pakistan is concerned, this ruling class does not bother about it.
Despite Pakistan's repeated claims of curbing terrorism, its actions prove otherwise. Terror launchpads along the border remain active, and the Pakistani military continues to provide logistical and intelligence support to terrorists infiltrating into India. The newly discovered infiltration routes and tunnels serve as stark reminders of Pakistan's duplicity and its vested interest in keeping the Kashmir issue alive through violence. However, Indian security forces remain resolute in their commitment to dismantling Pakistan-backed terror networks.